What is up, everybody, and thanks for tuning back into the channel. This is Freshwater Fishing with Adrian. I'm going to teach you how to make a live well to fit inside your pop-up tent. This is great for you in keeping that fish alive and gathering your camera equipment if you're trying to get a very nice photo, and or keeping that meat nice and fresh for you to take home and fillet it. So let's get into it. You just need your auger and your ice scoop. We're gonna drill 4 holes. 4 holes gives you a very nice distance to fit a 30-inch fish. So just start drilling. So don't drill all the way down, just partial drills. That's one. So take your second drill and place your blade just on the edge of the other hole. So you connect it. Push your snow over, same thing. Third hole, place your blade on the edge of the hole. Fourth one. Okay, so you got your 4 holes. They're filled with ice. What you want to do is just clean out all of this. You're going to want to save all of this. You're going to need it. Okay, that looks really nice. So, 4 holes. Like I said, will fit you basically a 30-inch fish. That's all you need. If you're walleye fishing, you can't keep pike that big, but if you are catching trophy pike, I'd say drill a 5th, maybe a 6th hole. So, final step, take your auger, go about 6 inches back. Now you want to drill all the way down. Now that you have your live well ready and an open hole ready to get water, take your auger, go up and down, fill up that live well. Doesn't take too many. Look at that. That looks really, really nice. Just clean up the last little bit of slush. Oh, that looks good. Wow, that looks awesome. Now, fill up your water hole with all the snow that you accumulated. This will prevent any fish from jumping back down into the water. There's no way a fish is going back in the water from your live well. Whew, that looks pretty good. That is how to make a live well in your portable pop-up tent. All that's left now is to catch a fish. Yes! You stirred everything up quite a bit there, but that is an awesome Dolphin Lake walleye specimen. Nice belly on him, getting ready for spawn. Let's get him in the live well, get him healthy enough to send him home. that looks so amazing. That looks so cool.